All right, so earlier I was telling you about my fear of police officers, which is not really a fear, but I'll tell you about that another time. The JCF band has been around for 60 years, and they are here to take over the Smile stage with the sweet sounds of reggae. But before they do, and take us to the break, Bandmaster, Deputy Superintendent Winston Woolcock.
Go to the land of love, where the love light shines so bright above.